What's going on YouTube? Today I'm doing an unboxing on the Leatherface premium format. This is the exclusive version, limited to 1,000. This is number 146 of 1,000. Now I try and get these done as quick as possible because I know people don't want to sit around and watch a 20-minute review. So I open everything up and it's ready to go. I haven't looked at anything yet, but we don't gotta sit there and wait through the tape and pulling everything out of the box. This is the art box. It's pretty cool, basic. Exclusive sticker on there. For those of you not familiar with this version, I guess you would call it, I know when the Jason came out, I also have the Jason and Freddy on pre-order. When the Jason came out, there was a lot of people fussing about the likeness. So I remember seeing like Sideshow's response or somebody on the inside saying that that was kind of their take on the character. You know, after seeing this, hearing the story, that's what they thought he would look like, keeping with their Part 3 license. I didn't really hear that about Freddy or Leatherface. I thought that's where they would kind of go with the line, but that might have just been an excuse to quiet the storm. But I like the Jason, turned out really good. And I think the exclusive sold out. Pretty sure that was like 1,250 or something in here, huh? That's the apron. It feels like he's got a little wire in there so you can kind of shape it the way you want. Pretty cool. Alright. This fucking thing is heavy too, man. I don't know if it's the base or... Yeah, the base is pretty heavy. It's got a little bit of blood on there. And sticking with the design with the Jason and the Freddy, it has all the kills from the movie on there. I'll show you guys that. I don't know how this is looking on the camera with the lighting, but you get an idea. Hammer to the head. It's a classic scene right there. I think they did that scene in the remake also. Alright, so you get the idea. Some bones and some leaves there. Pretty cool display on the bottom here. Yeah, that's pretty heavy. Alright, so he kind of just sits on there, nice and easy. Chainsaw is attached to the arm. I'm going to leave that on there for now. But they kind of got it paper and saran wrap on there. Let's see if I can get this in here. I also have the premium formats, not the premium formats, the art prints for Freddy, Jason, and Leatherface. I'm going to put them with these when I get the proper room to display them. I really hope they get the license for Myers. I seen they just did, I think they got the 6 scale license for part 6. But we really need to get a fucking Myers, man. That quarter scale that, I can't get this in here. That quarter scale that Hollywood Collectibles did was absolutely horrible. Horrible. I cannot get that fucker in there. Okay, I see it. This is a little weird, but you gotta put the sleeve on the arm and then get it out of the way so you don't catch the sleeve in between the magnet and the arm going in. So that's a little tough, but alright. And we have the I think there's 2 of these. Alright, so that looks like it goes there. No. Alright, that one goes there. I wish they would have did a little more to this, but throw something else on there. It's kind of just plain. Alright, something else in here. This actually looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than the pictures that I seen. The eyes are really good. Again, I don't know if you can see this as well as I can, but looks pretty good. I'm pleased so far. Snap that on there. It's kind of loose, but I think it's just a shirt. Like I was saying with the arm, it's getting stuck in between the magnet. Alright. And here is the bullshit exclusive hammer. You would think after the cool exclusive they put with the Jason, they would have did something a little better for this. So that kind of just sits on the base there. Alright, this is going to be a little tricky. So you got to take the head off and put his apron on. I'm just going to tie this real loose. I'll fix it up later. But like I said, it's got like a metal rod in it, so you can kind of get it to flow with, you know, the motion that he is, like he's whipping a chainsaw around. So you mess with that, get it pretty good. I'll give you guys a up close view. I'm pleased with it. You know, I haven't got a piece lately that I don't know if I'm getting older or less picky, or I've been getting lucky because the quality is not going up. But I've been quite satisfied lately. Less damaged pieces. And again, the lighting kind of sucks in here, but That face is pretty badass. They did a really good job with the eyes. The apron's done well. I'm happy. I gotta rearrange some stuff now, but you know, I wonder, I think that might be the same pose as the other one now that I'm thinking about it. Let me take a look over here real quick. Now he has the chainsaw behind him. Alright, that's going to wrap it up. Always, you know, you guys got any questions, anything I can try and help you with, I answer pretty quickly. And thanks for watching, guys.